Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing and the full review of this rolling RC stunt car. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, this is the box packaging of this rolling RC stunt car. There are some quick specs like stunt function, 360 rotation, stunt wheeling, lights, 6 channel and electric. So I bought this stunt car from Amazon for around below 1500 rupees. So now let's quickly unbox it and see what's inside. So on opening the box you get to see a user manual, a charging cable, a battery for your car which is of 600 milliampere. You also get a screwdriver, some screws, and also you get the remote control, and finally you get to see the car itself. So this has this white and green combination and it becomes a ball like this. The battery for the remote control is not included, so you will have to insert two AA batteries in order to operate. The remote control has this up down, left right, power on off, lights on off, and this stunt button over here, and this button over here is fake. So now coming to the car itself, it has this on off button at the top of the car, as you can see over here, and the shape of the car is really unique, as you can see. At the front it has two headlights over here, and at the back there are two tail lights which blinks when you operate this stunt car. When you press the stunt button, this car transforms into a circular shape, and when you press it back, it again transforms back into its original shape. Now let's operate this stunt car and see how it performs. So as you can see, I'm operating this stunt toy car outdoors, and over here you can see the tail light blinking, and also you can toggle the headlights on or off using the remote control. At the beginning the stunt car may be a little tough to operate, but once you are used to it, it will become easy. And this car may be also a cool gifting option for the kids. This is really a unique looking stunt car under 1500 rupees. If you want to buy this product, there will be a link in the description box below from where you can buy it. And if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, make sure to do so for more such videos. And thank you so much for watching.